Hey guys, as promised, I wanted to do just a quick little overview of this first self-reflection that's due on week 3, so that any of you that want to go ahead and work ahead and get this done next week are perfectly welcome to do that. So this self-reflection, this actual document that I'm showing here is what is in your Blackboard. And if you'll notice, each section that you're to do has the points that are assigned for it. So that's kind of your rubric by following the instructions. That's following your rubric. Up here at the top, it shows that there's 100 possible points. So for each essential that you do, they're worth 5 points. And then there's some questions at the end that are have point weight. Actually, 25% of the grade on this project is quality writing, good punctuation, grammar, and APA format if you're quoting anything. So be sure that you do a good job on that. If you know of someone that you can talk to that can edit it for you and look over it, that's a great idea. I send all of my papers to a person that I know that is really good at recognizing those kind of things, that edits all the papers that I write. The other thing you can avail yourself to is the Writing Center. You can send this to them and just have them check it for grammar and clarity. And they usually have a really quick turnaround, like a day or so. So if you want to do this next week and send it in, make sure you get that full 25 points for grammar and clarity on this. So I have opened up here next to it, this is the link. That's right here in your document. When you click on that, it takes you to this document that is the AACN BSN Essentials. And so I've just scrolled down to page 10 in this document, which is where it starts going over each essential individually. And this is Essential 1. So there's a couple of paragraphs here that talk about, kind of explain Essential 1. What we want for this project is for you to go down to these numbered statements here. So the baccalaureate program prepares the graduate to, and it has these 9 things for Essential 1 that it should prepare you to do. And as you look at this, you read each statement and try to decide if that statement will require the nurse to use current evidence or research to be able to do that activity. So we've already in your thing is example is 1.3. So if we look at 1.1, integrate theories and concepts from liberal education into nursing practice. That doesn't really require current evidence or research to be able to do that. And number 2 is synthesize theories and concepts from liberal education to build an understanding of the human experience. Now, I wouldn't really think that would require current evidence or research. Number 3 is use skills of inquiry, analysis, and information literacy to address practice issues. So yes, that is going to be part of your current evidence or research, and that's why we have it listed here. So you'll do the exact same thing. Go through, read number 4, use written, verbal, nonverbal, and emerging technology methods to communicate effectively. Does that take current evidence or research? If so, you put it here. If not, you skip that one. Apply knowledge of social and cultural factors to the care of diverse populations. Does that one, do you need current evidence or research for that? You would put that there. So you go through and do that for each one of these. So once you've filled out Essential 1, you scroll down, here's Essential 2. You'll scroll down, Essential 2 has 12 options. So you'll start with Essential 2, typing in 2.5, say I haven't even read that, but looks like that might have been a good one to pick. So you'll type in a list of the ones from, and there can be multiple under each essential. So don't think you just have to put one. You read each statement, and if it requires current evidence or research, then you put it in. So you do the exact same thing for each essential as you scroll through here, all 9 of them. So it shouldn't take you a long time just to read over those and be able to put those in this chart. And then once you have all of those in there, this is to give you a really good understanding of the BSN Essentials, and this is what our program outcomes are built off of, our student learning outcomes. This is what we want you to look like when you graduate from East Central University with a bachelor's degree. So reading through these will help you see why we do what we do and what we expect of you. And that's the point of this project, and to see how this class relates to getting you to that point. So once you're finished the table, then you'll scroll down and answer. There's 3 questions here, and you'll answer those questions. And like the first one's explore your thoughts and the importance of learning these skills. The second one is give examples from your current practice, or if you're a student and you're not practicing, just your patient care in clinicals or things that you've seen where you see the need for current evidence. And then the last one is how does evidence-based practice ensure patient-centered care, patient safety, and improve outcomes. So, what does that look like? How does that help us meet those goals? So that is all you will do. And you can actually type on this document and fill it out, and then you'll upload it onto your assignments tab in Blackboard, and I will be grading those as soon as they start coming in. So if you have any questions, as always, feel free to give me a call and let me know. Thank you.